स्टैटिस्टिक्स, वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो। आपको स्वागत है इन दिस वीडियो जहां पर हम लोग आर प्रोग्रामिंग यूज करके स्टैटिस्टिक्स के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। हाँ, आपने सही सुना है कि हम लोग आर यूज करके स्टैटिस्टिक्स का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। और आपको अगर आपको आर नहीं भी पता हो तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, मैं आपको एकदम बेसिक से सब कुछ सिखाऊंगी। आपका कोई डाउट नहीं रहेगा कि कैसे ये चीज करते हैं, सबसे आसानी से मैं ही आपको सिखाऊंगी। तो आपके स्क्रीन पे दिया हुआ है पूरा डिटेल्स ऑफ डॉक्टर सौरभ सर्स क्लासेस। तो अगर आपको और भी कोई एक्स्ट्रा डाउट हो, क्लासेस रिलेटेड, क्लासेस, मॉक टेस्ट, गाइडेंस, तो प्लीज डू कॉन्टैक्ट। फोन नंबर दिया हुआ है स्क्रीन में। द फोन नंबर इज 9836793076। सो प्लीज डू कॉन्टैक्ट। सो लेट्स गेट started. So over here we will see simple things as vectors and vector operations. So we have already, अगर आपने previous video देखा है, so we were talking about vectors, but now we will learn something just related to vectors. So first so we have to create a vector. Vector एक variable दीजिए, operator signs combine करके सारे values दे दीजिए. Now what is the length of that vector? Okay, what is the vector length? How long is the vector? Over here we can count, but what if there were 100 values or 200 values? How we will know? So you can use the function length to easily calculate what is the length of a vector. So how long is a vector? Let's see, or how many values. So over here vector, and as you can see कि ये चीज आपको ऑटोमेटिकली असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में आपको वेक्टर सॉर्ट करके देगा. सो इफ इट्स इन haphazard and you wanted to arrange the values, आपको ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा. You don't have to do much, you just have to sort it. Now we want to access the elements of vector. Access is, there is obviously 5 and we want only one of them. What we do? Now this is what we call indexing, where you square brackets and we will call the positions of the vector. So let's see the first element. We want to access the first element. Let's run it. Is 25. As we have sorted it, now it has given us 25. Okay, now let's see if we want to change elements of a vector. Suppose in the third position we don't want 15, we want 30. So how do we impute that? In the third place instead of 15 we will do 30 or any value. So in again we say the vector variables, and in the square bracket we will give the position. This is indexing, we give the third position or whatever position you like. You give the assignment operator and you assign the value in that position. Let's see. Run it. Now let's see again vector. We will see the whole vector. And we have a new element added to our vector, which is 35. So you can see these are some of the operations that we can do on vectors. These are very simple. It's not very difficult. These are just the basic building blocks of it. And on top of that, we can also, in the next video, we will do how we can do operations. Like we can do statistical operations on these vectors. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.